Hi, it's Kozue. These nail polishes were kindly gifted to me. Thank you so much. I wonder, is it pronounced lele? These are two brand new shades launching this November. The shade on the left is called Champagne Gold and the one on the right, Hot Wine. I don't drink much, but I do love hot wine. These shades feel perfect for the winter holidays and New Year celebrations in Japan. Today I'm trying both on my natural nails just to see how they play together. I'm wiping off any moisture and oils from my natural nails using ethanol. Don't forget the underside. I'm gonna apply D-App Strong Guard as a base coat. I got this pink clip from Seria. I thought I'd ditch this pink clip pretty quickly. It seemed like too much fuss, but turns out I use it all the time. I even end up painting the clip itself sometimes. Oops. I've applied the base coat and I let it dry for about 5 minutes. My nails have really grown. I'm applying hot wine to my thumb. In the bottle, it looks like a reddish brown, but on the nail, it turns into the cutest candy red. If you like this poppy candy red vibe, one coat might be all you need. And this brush, so easy to use. I'm not sure if it's the softness of the bristles or the texture of the polish, but it glides on beautifully. Wow, it's so cute, just like candy. I'm using the same shade on my pinky too. And seriously, my nails have grown so much. Every time I remove my polish, I file my nails just a little. When they grow 1 millimeter, I file off about 0.5 millimeter. And that's how I've reached this length. I'm applying champagne gold to my ring finger. I was a bit worried it might streak, but it went on beautifully. This polish is incredibly easy to apply. It has fine shimmer particles and it's just beautiful. I'm applying hot wine to my middle and index fingers. About my nail lengths, I've been casually thinking, if they break, I'll go short again. But they haven't broken lately, so here we are, long nails. Maybe my weekly jojoba oil care is working. My nails feel stronger lately, but with longer nails. Does anyone else struggle with putting on necklaces or earring bags? For contact lens removal, I use a method I picked up from TV. Second joints of the index and middle fingers. One coat done, and it's looking pretty cute. If you don't mind a bit of free edge showing through, one coat might be enough. I let it dry for 7 minutes. Second coat of hot wine. With 2 layers, it's really starting to look like wine. With this shade, you don't have to wait for Christmas. It works perfectly as an autumn nail too. Look, it's really starting to match the color in the bottle. With 3 coats, it might become the bottle shade. The clip goes on the pinky. Finger rests in place. And here comes red wine. Let's paint. Second coat of champagne gold on the ring finger. It doesn't feel slow to dry at all. Now moving the clip to the middle finger. You know, with fast drying polishes, I always feel pressure to get it right in one stroke. But this one? You can go back and forth and it still blends beautifully. No brush marks. For example, the area I painted first, on the left side, even after touching it again, the polish blended in beautifully. After drying for about 5 minutes, I'm stamping. The plate I got from Temu, super Christmassy. I'm using this square design with a stamper also from Temu. The scraper? It came with some random stamper. And this one, bought at Walmart in Hawaii. The stamping polish is super pigmented. It picked up beautifully on the stamper. Now I'm stamping it. I played with the placement a bit and stamped it slightly off center, just like this. Oh, this color and design. It kind of looks Japanese. Now I'm pretty sure this polish would totally work for New Year's nails too. I use washi tape to clean my stamper, and honestly, I have enough washi tape to open a shop. Next up, stamping the middle finger. Whoops, I pressed a bit hard while stamping, and the polish smudged a little. See? Right here. It was just a tiny smudge, nothing to panic about. Well, maybe I panicked a little, but look, a few gentle taps with a stamper, and it's barely noticeable. I'm gonna paint Born Pretty's No Smudge Top Coat Oil. I'm applying it to the middle finger as well. After letting it dry for 7 minutes, I'm applying the first top coat, Paradu Gel Top Coat. After letting it dry thoroughly, I'll apply the second top coat, Sèche Vite. And when I say thoroughly, I mean 6 hours. But hey, if I'm in a rush, 3 hours might do. When I remove the clip and switch it to another finger, I have to be careful, not to bump into polish that's still drying. By the way, I got the pink finger rest at CanDo. After applying the Paradu Gel Top Coat to the ring finger, I'm adding 3 half-dome pawls right away while it's still wet. This pen-like tool is a picker I made myself. I placed 2 small round pawls between the larger ones. Wow, it turned out to be quite a luxurious nail look. Now I'm applying Paradu Gel Top Coat to the middle and index fingers and letting them dry for a few hours. Now the final boss of top coats, Sèche Vite. Yes, I named it myself, haha. I use blue tack to hold the bottle at an angle. Every time I do a new nail design, my coworker says, "Show me your nails," and gets super close to inspect them. And every time she says, "I still can't believe this isn't gel." That's all thanks to Sèche Vite. Now I'm applying Sèche Vite to the rest of the nails. And done! Today's nails totally Christmas. But somehow there's a subtle Japanese vibe to it. I did the same nail design on my right hand too. Speaking of Japanese vibes, it reminded me that CanDo just released 6 new gel colors with traditional Japanese names. I'm thinking of reviewing them in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!